Good morning to all. In this video, I am going to present the change of order of integration concept and diagram. What is change of order of integration? Change of order of integration very often helps the evaluation of a double integral easier. Where it is used? The change of order of integration is used to simplify double integrals arising in heat transfer, fluid dynamics, probability, electromagnetics, image processing, and engineering design, thereby reducing computational effort and making complex problems easier to solve. Next, procedure to evaluate the double integration by changing its order of integration. There are 5 steps. Step 1. If the limits of the inner integral is a function of x or function of y, then the first integration should be with respect to y or with respect to x. Step 2. Draw the region of integration by using the given limits. Step 3. If the integration is first with respect to x, keeping y as a constant, then consider the horizontal step and find the new limits accordingly. Step 4. If the integration is first with respect to y, keeping x as a constant, then consider the vertical step and find the new limits accordingly. Step 5. After find the new limits, evaluate the inner integral first and then the outer integral. For example, change the order of integration. Integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to x, f of x comma y comma dy dx. Solution: given the limits y equal to 0 to y equal to x and x equal to 0 to x equal to 1. Now draw the plane x-axis, y-axis, y equal to 0 at x-axis, x equal to 0 at y-axis. Draw the line at y equal to x and x equal to 1. Cover the region. It's by changing the order, we draw the strip parallel to x-axis. So, by changing the order, y-axis to x-axis, that is dy into dx to dx into dy. Now we get new limits x equal to y to x equal to 1 and y equal to 0 to y equal to 1. By changing the order, we get integral 0 to 1, again integral y to 1 f of x comma y into dx dy. This is change the order. I hope you have understood the concept. Thank you.